Hello friends, in this video I will talk about the upcoming Galaxy A series smartphone. So let's watch.
And friends, before starting the video, subscribe my channel for more tech videos and PUBG Mobile latest hacks.
So friends, 3 months ago, there was a rumor that Samsung could launch another version of Galaxy A51, which will be a 5G version of Galaxy A51 with same specifications. And now this is confirmed that Samsung is going to launch another version of Galaxy A51, which will be a 5G variant. The Samsung Korea has just launched the official support page for this device. The same happened with Galaxy A71. Samsung is also going to launch a 5G variant of Galaxy A71. For the Galaxy A71, all the information has been leaked through TENAA certification. Friends, if you are enjoying the video, then please like the video and subscribe my channel. The specifications would be same, but we could see Exynos 980 chipset in the both smartphones. As in the leaked Geekbench of Galaxy A51, it was spotted running Exynos 980 chipset. Friends, if we talk about the Exynos 980, so it is one of the greatest chipset which supports 5G and also capable to do heavy task. For now it is confirmed that Galaxy A51 would also be launched in other countries. And Galaxy A71 would be available in China and America. So friends, this is the latest news regarding Galaxy A51 and Galaxy A71. I hope you will like the video, so please subscribe my channel for more tech videos. Peace out.